Hi guys! Want to change your video background without a green screen? I've tried CapCut, but the edge is all glitchy, background flickering like a rave party. Today, I'll show you how to change your background with smooth edges and no weird flickers using AVCLabs Video Blur AI. Let's dive in! First, open the software and import the video. Once your video is loaded, select Background Blur from the toolbar. You can pick a blur shape to blur your background, but this time, we will replace the background with any image. Click Image icon and choose any picture from your computer. Once your background is in place, it will automatically remove the magic. The AI will blend your subject and the new background seamlessly. And that's it! Change your video background, just take a few seconds with AVCLabs Video Blur AI. Look at that! Smooth edges, no weird flickers, and your new background looks like it's always been there. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching!